let's just say that the U.S. government just arbitrarily created a bunch of new onerous laws, okay? And all of a sudden, lawyers needed to work way more hours. They needed to hire more lawyers. We needed to educate more lawyers. And this same thing could go for accounting. What if the IRS comes up with all of these other regulations, okay? And all of a sudden, we need to hire more accountants and stuff like that. How does that add to the greater economy? How does that multiply our GDP? It doesn't. It's more or less a cost. It's a service to, say, manufacturing companies. I mean, when Forbes, I forgot the gentleman's first name, when he came on as a presidential candidate, one of the things that he said was, let's simplify accounting. You have one tax rate, and your federal income taxes is on one piece of paper. Is your federal income taxes on one piece of paper right now?
Hell no.
How many pages is it?
I have no idea.
30, 60?
Yeah.
And you
I was going to say 15.
And you need to pay thousands of dollars to an accountant in order to put that all together. And I love my accountant. Patrick is an awesome guy. And I love what he does. And I've actually talked to him about this, and he's not too terribly concerned. But like, if you were to simplify those things, which you could.
You've talked to him about the multiplier effect?
No, I've talked to him about simplifying income taxes.
Hey guys, can I get nostalgic for a second?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Of course.
I did.
Before you knew me, when I only knew you as two
celebrity podcasters,
very annoying voices on my earphones while I mowed my yard, I wanted to share a little bit about our story, our company story. So I sent you guys this culture video. It was really well done. Do you remember that?
I do, actually.
And I have a buddy who's like a documentary filmmaker.
Was that the video that like featured your dad?
Yeah,
as,
he's just talking about like, hey, it's really important that we make things in this country. And the video ends, and there's a statistic that scrolls across the frame right before it ends, and it says, for every dollar that goes into manufacturing, $1.48 is added to the American economy.
There you go.
That's the multiplier effect.
That's the multiplier effect. And I would say that same multiplier effect is
That's
not
almost
there.
50%.
Yeah, it's huge.
Okay.
Yeah, so that same multiplier factor is not there when you add $1 to, say, the accounting industry or attorneys.
Well, look at this Boeing thing. Like when Boeing slows down, we were just talking about the
Spirit.
news. Yeah. Spirit has to lay off over 3,000 employees now.
Right.
We're looking at the manufacturing news, and they're talking about, hey, we were in a slight recession, and Boeing is a big part of it. Just one company.
One company, yeah.
Think about that multiplier.
So what I would contend is that, yes, manufacturing is by percentage of GDP is smaller than, say, the service industry, because that was not the claim that I made. But its importance in the economy is huge. And I would say for us to have a strong economy, for us to fuel these other industries, we need to keep U.S. manufacturing strong. It's very important.